Hey guys, no more struggling with beach flank setup. 1 minute, down. Open the Oxford bank. Pour, base, flank, workbank inside. By the flank supports, open the standard legs like flower. Input the workbank faces forward. Put the forward and the base to fix it. Take 3 pours. Connect them one by one. Unfold the flank. Insert a pour top into it. Tie the bottom buttons, tighten the fixing hook. Stick the pour into the base, adjust the direction, smooth the flank. Boom! Perfect end! Super easy, right? Our beach flank is durable, factory direct, customer available. Grab yours now!